Good morning to all. Welcome to the virtual class of computer of class 7th. Today we are going to start lesson number 1, evolution of computer. Let's start. What is computer? A computer is a complex piece of machinery made up of many parts, each of which can be considered a separate invention. Charles Babbage is known as the father of the computing. The history of computing. The computer had its beginning in 19th century when English mathematics professor named Charles Babbage designed analytical engine. It is on this design that the basic framework of the computers of today are based on. Generation of computers. Depending on the time period in which the computers are used and their operations, they are divided into different generations. First generation, second generation, third generation, fourth and fifth generation. Now, first generation 1940 to 1956 used vacuum tubes. Hardware characteristics: vacuum tubes, magnetic drums, punched cards, and paper tape, etc. Software characteristics: machine language, solved only one problem at a time, most scientific applications, etc. Other features: bulky in size, highly unreliable, limited commercial use and costly, difficult to use. This is the picture of first generation. UNIVAC and ENIAC. Both are the example of first generation of computers. Next, second generation 1940 to 1963 used in transistors. Hardware characteristics: transistors, magnetic coarse memories, magnetic tapes, disk for secondary storage. Software characteristics: assembly language, high-level programming language and developed scientific and commercial applications. Other features: smarter, faster, smaller and more reliable. Commercial production was still difficult and costly. This is the picture of second generation of computer. Next is third generation 1964 to 1971. Integrated circuits. Hardware characteristics: ICs and SSI and MSI technologies. Larger magnetic coarse memory, larger capacity disk, mini computers, etc. Software characteristics: time sharing operating system, standardized of high level programming languages. Other features: faster, smaller, more reliable and cheaper to produce. Second is commercial, easier to use. This is the picture of third generation of PC, and this is IC, integrated circuit. Next, fourth generation 1972 to 2010. Microprocessors. Microprocessors, semiconductor memory, larger capacity hard disk, personal computers, supercomputers, notebooks, and internet. Software characteristics: GUI based operating system. GUI means graphical user interface. Multiprocessing operating system, World Wide Web, multimedia, internet, more complex supercomputer computing applications, etc. Other features में small, affordable, reliable and easy to use PCs, general purpose machine, easier to upgrade. This is the picture of fourth generation of PC, and this is microprocessor. Next, fifth generation, artificial intelligence. Hardware characteristics, superconductors, powerful servers, supercomputers, interspace, cluster computing, etc. Software characteristics, natural language input. Other features, voice recognition, capable of learning and self-organization. Thank you.